Just ridiculous. Like, they didn't even try. Like, they didn't even try. And yeah, I'm very experienced driving in the snow. We're doing about 25 right now. Sorry for the camera shake. We have the best equipment here. Yeah, this... They gotta get their shit straight. Everybody's like, fuck it. But you know what's good about North Carolina? They don't do the stupid shit Mass does. As long as there's fuel in these tanks and power's on, you don't need anybody in the fucking store to get gas. Just top off the Buick. Like, nobody's out at all. Like, just look at this. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's just, I mean, I go about 30, but, you know, these big cars are heavy, so there's nobody on A5. The only vehicles I've seen are people like me. This is why it's important to stock up. And here's top off the old girl here. The gas gauge is fucking broken. Yeah. Oh my God. They're actually plowing. I can't believe it. Let's let them through here. Focus on driving. It's just shit roads. Alright. Turn in here. Hear that? They did nothing. I'm guessing that the contract crews are the ones that work on they're the ones that work on roads like 64, which used to be old 64, and all these like quote unquote county DOT roads. Hear that? Snow's getting compacted down, so it's gonna freeze again if that's already. Yeah, so both those stores were closed. So yeah, we're back home now.